Okay, ready, Shami?
Yes, very.
So today, let's do some math, some questions about math competition, yeah? Are you
Yeah,
excited? Are you excited about the math competition?
extreme.
Extremely excited, yeah, good. Which is on Saturday, yeah? Saturday at 1.
Yeah,
Let's do some of the questions, like maybe we have a better chance to win. Let's get to it. The first one, how many different positive four-digit integers can be formed using the digits 3, 3, 6, and 6? You see, when you see questions like that, don't really stress about this word, like the words integer. Integer is a whole number, okay? And that's all you know. You all just know whole numbers. You don't know decimals now. You don't know like fractions really. So, and positive, that means you don't want like -6. That's a negative integer. We just want positive integers. So what digits we have? We have 3, 3, 6, and 6. So try to work it out. You know, you can start with 6 and then put 6, yeah? And then 3, 3. What else we can do? You can keep 6, yeah? And then
hmm
move 3 here and then put 6, 3. Then keep 6 again. Now move 3, 3, 6. Then what we can do, we can put 3 and then 3, 6, 6. Then 3, 6, 3, 6. Can we think another thing? Yeah, 3, 3, 6, 6. Shami, is there anything else we can do? Can you think of any other combinations we can get? That's one,
it's three,
2,
six,
3,
six,
4.
three,
Which one?
3663. I think like that.
3, 6, 6, 3. Uh, 3, 6. Again, we don't have that. Yeah, you're right.
Yeah, and
So that's 7. 1, 6, 6. We don't make sure you don't repeat anything here. 6, 3, 6, 3.
I think I
6, 3,
did.
3, 6, 3, 3, 6, 6. Oh, you see, I repeated this one.
Three.
3, 3, 6, 6, 3, 3, 6, 6. So don't repeat it. So yeah, you're good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 positive possible ways, okay, to do
Yeah.
that. All right. Now, if you have a question like this, you know, they said the number in every circle is the sum of the numbers connected below it. What does that mean? It means like it's 80. This 80 is the sum of this circle and this circle. Yes, Shami?
Yes, yes, very. Yes.
So we can find it. What number plus 44 is 80?
What number plus 44 is 80? I think,
So we have to
yeah,
subtract 80 minus 44.
80 minus 44. Dun, dun.
10 minus 4.
10 minus 4 is 6. 7 minus 4 is 1. Wait, no, 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 no. It's not 1. 3.
Yeah, 3. Did you say 1? Good
Yeah,
job.
I
Yeah,
did.
36. Okay, so we got that. This is 36, okay? And then we have another circle here, and that's 26. You see?
Mm-hmm.
Now, this 26 is the sum of all these three numbers. Okay. 24 also is the sum of these numbers. Now they tell us that these three x's are the same. Like this one, whatever we put here will be the same. So let's put 2, 8. Uh, okay, how to do that? Easy. Guess. So let me guess a number. What do you
Uh,
think x is?
so guess the number.
Yeah, is
I
is 10 a good guess?
16.
16 is not easy to do math. I mean, I prefer 10 because, make your life easier. Let's start with a number that's the math is easy. Let's put 10 here. So start from one way. Like if you put 10 here and here, did I miss one? I think my shape is missing one. This is 8 and this one, and then 44 has 1x. Okay, that's better. So you put 10 here, good, and then 10 here. So what will happen? What is 10 plus 8?
10 plus 8, 18.
Okay, now what number I should put here? So becomes 26. So 26 minus 18.
26 minus 18, 6 minus...
So 16, and that's 1. 16 minus 8?
16 minus 8 is 8?
Yeah, so that means I need to put 8 here. So that's 8 plus 8 plus 10 is 26. It works, but how about this one? 8 plus 10 and then plus what is 44? 10 plus 8 is 18. So what is the missing one? 44 minus 18. So that's 14, 3. 14 minus 8?
14 minus 8, I think it's,
Yeah? 6. 14 minus 8 is 6, yeah? If you're confused with that, forget about 4. What is 10 minus 8?
10 minus 8.
What is it? What is 10 minus 8?
10 minus 8 is 2.
And then 2 plus 4? 6. Yeah, you see, you can do it in your head. And then 3 minus 1, 2. So we get 26 here. But, Jamil, now what about now? Does it work? 26 plus 2 is 28. 28 plus 10?
28 plus 10 is 38.
But that's 2 more than 36.
Yes.
Yeah, so 10 doesn't work. We need to change it. So because I'll try to change it with
8.
Let's put 8 here. Change this one to 8. See if it works now. Okay. 8 plus 8 is 16. So now this should be 10 because 10 plus 16 is 26. And then 10 plus 8 is 18. 18 plus 26 is 44. And then 26 plus 2 plus 8 is 36. Yes. So the x that they wanted is 8.
8.
So start with a number. If you're lucky, that's the answer. If you're not, then adjust it. But do the math fast so you have enough time to go to all the questions. Let's do one more. Okay. On Prisha's 6th birthday, her brother, whoever, was 11 years old.
What?
How old will Anton be on Prisha's 11th birthday? Always make it easier for you. There are a lot of words here, but all we know is 2 people. Prisha and Anton. Anton, okay. Okay, Prisha's 6th birthday. So how old is Prisha? If it's her 6 years old. 6 years old. Then how old was Anton on that occasion?
11.
11. So how old is Anton older than Prisha?
What?
Like Anton is older, yeah?
Yes.
How many years is he older? Like what should I write? Plus 5. Okay, 6 plus 5 is 11. Very good. Now look at the question. How old will Anton be? We don't know. When Prisha is 11. So it's really easy. We just follow this. 11 plus 5 is?
It's 16.
So he will be 16 because he's 5 years older than his sister. Easy?
Yes, definitely.
Okay, now this is one of my favorite questions. You see, they give you a pattern. The diagrams below are showing patterns of the hearts. You see, um, in the first one, always for these questions, make a table. It will help you a lot. For for the order, like the first, second, third, use N, and for the number of hearts, just put D. That's how I do it. So N shows like nth, like the first, the second, the third, fourth, fifth, and seventh, so forth. You know, these are first, second, third, fourth, fifth, seventh. I skipped six. Six, and then seven. Then now count how many hearts. In the first one, how many hearts are there, Shami?
One.
One. Do we know the second one? No, they didn't give us. What about the third one? How many hearts?
Uh, I think it's 9.
No, this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5.
5. And then for the fifth one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then can you guess 17? Sorry, seventh? It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Do you see the pattern? You see for number 1, there is 1 heart. Then when you go 2, you put 1 here and then 1 here. So how many we should write? 1, 2, 3. Now, when you go to the next one, you put 1 here, 1 here. So it becomes 5. When you go to the next one, 1 here, 1 here. So it becomes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Do you see that? Do you see how the pattern is growing? And then you go to the fifth one, then 1 here, 1 here. You go to sixth one, 1 here, 1 here. But then we don't have enough time to do that because it's a pattern. We need to be smart. I look at here, it's just plus 2. You see that?
Yes.
Plus 2. So this one also plus 2. So we can guess. But look at here. They said how many hearts will be when you continue this one to the 242? Do we have enough time to do this one 242 times?
Oh yeah, it's enough.
So this is not a good way. We need to think about a smarter way. So if you look at it, if you look at N and D, how are they related? Like you see, how can you change 1 to 1, 2 to 3, 3 to 5? You know, Shami, can you put the bottle away from your face? Thank you. So you see, if I multiply N like 1 times 2, what do I get? What is 2 times 1?
2 times 1 is 2.
Yeah, but you see this one is shared here and here. So I need to count it only 1 time. So minus 1. So 2 times 1 is 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. So you see that this 2 times basically this 1, you can change it with N. And that gives you D. So what do I mean? If you want like 7, you put 7 here. So 7 times 2, that's 14. What is 14 minus 1?
14 minus 1 is 13.
There you go. You see, it works. So I can create a formula for the pattern. So now it's easy. If I want to find this number, what should we do, Shami? What is N?
Times 2.
So 242 times 2. So double it. 2 times 2, 4. 2 times 4.
4.
And 2 times 4. And then minus 1, which is 483. 83. Do you see that? Is your finger yummy? Are you eating your finger?
No.
Good. So if you have questions like this for like grade 1, grade 2, they will give you like what is the 15th one, what is the 16th one. So it's easy to continue the pattern. But for the higher grades, you need to use like operations to find. A generous family is making paintings for the charity event. If somebody makes 4 paintings in 12 hours, and his mom makes 6 paintings in 10 hours, how long will it take working together to make 14 paintings? Okay. So what do we know? We know that for one boy makes, what is his name? Drov? Drov, yeah. For Drov, he 4 paintings,
Yeah.
4 paintings in 12 hours.
Mm-hmm.
And what about mom? Mom makes 6 paintings. Mom is faster in 10 hours. Okay, but how many paintings in 1 hour? In 12 hours. That means if I simplify this one, if I divide this by 4, that becomes 1 painting in how many hours?
12 divided
By 4, 3. One painting,
in 3 hours.
3 hours. Okay, so look at, you see, if they start working together, this one is 1 hour. The boy will do it. Okay. Now, how about mom? Mom, if I simplify this one, divide by 2, then I get 3 5 hours. That means every 5 hours, she will make 3 painting, yeah? We change it to the same, like 1, 3, 3, 5. What is a good number that works with 3 and 5?
3 and 5?
Like if I multiply this by 5, yeah, what do I get? 5 out of 15.
5 out of 15.
And if I multiply this by 3, I get 9 out of 15. You see that? Mm-hmm. Okay. So that means 15 hours.
15 hours. And
5 painting. 15 hours. How many paintings? 9. So if they work 15 hours, how many paintings they make together? 9 plus 5. 14, yeah?
Oh, it's 15 hours.
So the answer is 15 hours. That was faster. So again, you need to adjust these fractions to be like the same scale. Like the mom can paint 9 paintings in 15 hours, and the boy or the girl can make 5 paintings in 15 hours. So together, if they work 15 hours together, 9 plus 5 is 14, and that's exactly the answer to this question. Do you see that? No. The distance between trees on the border of a triangular park is 5 meters. Okay, triangular park. So let's make a triangle. That's a park. And the distance between trees, 5 meters. So you can put trees here like this. And every tree, the distance from the other tree is 5 meters. And then you put another tree 5 meters like that. What is the number of trees needed if the park side lengths are 20 meters and 30 meters and 30 meters? Okay? So we need to use, again, common sense. If I put a tree here, this is 20 meters. How many trees I can put in 20? So let's do that. That's the first one. 5 meters later, let's do like this. 5, 0, 5. What is the next 5? 10, then 15, then 20. You see that?
Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Some people say 20 divided by 5 is 4. That's wrong because you can also put a 3 at the beginning and at the end. So you can put here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trees. So 5 trees here. Now, I don't need to count this one again because it's already counted. Now we know we need to go for 30. So we start from 5, then we go 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trees here. Then we already counted here. So how many we can put? We start from 5 to 25 because there is 3 here and there is 3 here. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5. 5 trees here. So if you add them together, 5 plus 5 plus 6, which is 16 trees. Do you get it, Chami?
Yes.
But don't count this tree 2 times. Don't count this tree 2 times. Don't count it 2 times. And what is wrong? If you just say, oh, 20 divided by 5 is 4. And then 30 divided by 5 is 6. 30 divided by 5 is 6. And then you add them. This answer also works. I just saw that because if you add them 4 plus 6 plus 6, this is also 16. But I don't think is it by chance or it works all the time. But it's better to use common sense because some of the trees are in like 1 tree can be counted in 2 sides. I'm not sure this will work all the time. So use your logic, it's better. Okay, what number is halfway between 278 and 842? If you don't understand it, make it easier. You know, sometimes I don't understand the problem. I make it easier. I said, what is the number halfway between 2 and 4? Show me, what is the number between 2 and 4?
2 and 4
Yeah.
and 3.
Yeah, very good. So how did you get 3? Is 4 plus 2? Oh, sorry. What is 4 plus 2?
4 plus 2 is 6.
Yeah, and then what is 6 divided by 2?
6 divided by 2 is 3.
It worked, yeah?
Yeah?
Let me see. I want to try. I want to test it again. What is the number halfway between 4 and 10? So you see, halfway between 4 and 10. So next one is like 5, 6, 7, 8,
9.
So if I go from here, 1, 2, and then I go from here, 1, 2, the number halfway is 7. Yeah, it's 7. So I want to use the same thing. I have my lower bound, upper bound. So what is 4 plus 10?
4 plus 10 is 14.
And then we divide it by 2. 14 divided by 2?
Is...
What is it?
I think it's not 6. Wait, no, it's not 6.
6 times 2 is 12.
Yeah. 8?
8 times 2 is 16.
All right. I actually don't remember.
Okay, I show you technique. So 10 plus 4. What is 10 divided by 2?
10 divided by 2 is 5.
And what is 4 divided by 2?
Wait, oh, I know 14 divided by 2 now. 7.
Yeah, it's 7. So you see it works. The strategy works. So if it works, we can use it for bigger numbers now. So we can say that 248 plus 842.
Yes.
Okay, what is the answer?
So 8 plus 2 is 10. So 0 and then 4 plus 1. So yeah, 1. No. And then the other one's 9. Next one, the next one is 1,000 or 10.
Yeah, 1090. And what do? We divide it by 2.
1,090 divided by 2.
Yeah, it's very easy. You see, you can look at this one. What is this divided by 2?
5.
Okay. What is 90 divided by 2?
And 45.
Yeah. Okay. And that's the number halfway. So if you start from 248 and then you go to, what was that? 842, 842. The middle number here halfway is 545. Okay?
Yes.
So you just add them, then divide by 2. Okay, I think that's good for today. When you have questions like this, please think, don't give up. There are a lot of strategies I tried to show you. Try a number and work it out. Then adjust your answer. Also, make it easier. Like this problem, I didn't know, but I had an idea. So I made it easier. I tested it, and then I used for solving bigger numbers. Make your life easier when you're subtracting. You know, I see that Shami was like struggling with like 14 minus 7. So just make it easier. Ignore 4. Just say 10 minus 7. What is 10 minus 7?
3.
Okay, and then what is 3 plus 4? Because then you get 7. You see, it's so easier. Now what is 26 minus 9? So make it easier. What is 20 minus 9?
20 minus 9. 20 minus 9 is 11. 11 plus 6 is 11 plus 6 is 17.
You see, isn't it easier?
A lot easier.
Yeah, so make your life easier by using the strategies. Also, when you want to multiply, like you want to say 6 times 7, what is that? So make it easier. Break down 7 to, let's say, 5 is a good number. I like 5. 5 plus 2. Is that good? Then you say, what is 6 times 5?
6 times 5 is 30.
You see fast. And what is 6 times 2?
6 times 2 is 12.
Yeah, so when you add them, you get 42. So 6 times 7 is?
So 6 times 7 is 42.
Exactly. So don't get stuck. Just break it down. You know the strategies. Good luck tomorrow. Hope you will win, all of you. Do you have anything to say? Encouragement?
Learn well.
Good luck. And don't forget to wear your polo shirt tomorrow. Yes. Goodbye.
Bye.